As we have seen, the circle of delight can be completed in 4 simple steps. First, the customer visits the store and shares experiences. Second, if the customer agrees for a callback, the call center executives give him a call. Third, different teams address the different issues raised by means of escalations. Lastly, these teams decide what is the way forward in solving the customer's problems. Having understood stage 1 in detail, let us proceed to the remaining stages. At stage 2, the customer who allows for a callback may be called back by the customer care center. The customer care executive or the CCE understands the customer feedback in detail. They also record the verbatims, explore customer comments deeper, and reconcile differences between the feedback given on the iPad and the feedback shared on the call. Please note that not all customers who give permission to call are called back. A prefixed percentage of these customers are randomly selected by a computer program. The store team should regularly visit the Mission Happiness portal and listen to customer experiences of the store. At stage 3, the different teams act on the feedback and discuss suggestions and improvements. The store is responsible not only for store environment and staff service, but it is also extremely important to address and influence other factors like variety, worth the money, etc., even though it does not directly control variety and pricing. Apart from this, Mission Happiness has an important component called the huddle. A huddle is a team gathering to plan, motivate, and celebrate. It is a short break for teams to introspect on what they have done so far and what is the strategy for the next play. Huddles are conducted on 2 levels, one at the HO and the other at the stores. Huddles at the HO are conducted brand-wise and monthly. Here, different teams, that is product team, design team, and B&M team, discuss feedback shared by the customer. They identify issues and brainstorm on solutions. Then they recommend a solution to the senior management team and set timelines for its execution. At the store level, huddles are conducted weekly on Mondays. A store huddle is conducted based on the 6P principle: prepare, pronounce, prompt, play, plan, and publish. Here, the store identifies actions that need to be taken for improvement. They also share customer experiences and motivate and appreciate fellow staff to keep delighting customers continuously. The last stage is the final resolution and way forward by the senior management. They take key decisions based on recommendations, make necessary changes in systems and processes, and review outcomes. It is important to delight customers by listening to them. Let us take an example of TD Bank. They listened and identified small changes that made big differences to their customers.
Excuse me, the chain on this pen is too short.
There. Is that better, Martin?
Not really.
Here's the thing, Martin. Banks can't have people taking their pens.
Well, sure.
It's time to bank human again. That's why at TD Bank, we're open longer than any other bank. And yes, our pens are chain-free. TD Bank, America's most convenient bank.
Oh, wow. Do you have an umbrella I can use?
Why would a bank have an umbrella, Tess?
You know, so your customers don't get wet.
But you're inside, Tess.
Yes, but I'm going outside.
Then have a good day.
It's time to bank human again. That's why at TD Bank, we're open 7 days a week. And when it rains, we walk you to your car with an umbrella. TD Bank, America's most convenient bank.
Please walk the line, Stanley, in an orderly fashion.
I need a deposit slip.
Deposit slips are located at the entrance of the bank.
It's time to bank human again. That's why at TD Bank, we're open longer than any other bank. And you'll never see a rope line. TD Bank, America's most convenient bank.
Okay.
The bank will be closing soon, Chris.
I'm just making a deposit.
The bank is now closed.
Well, I need to make payroll tomorrow.
Please stop back during normal business hours.
I can't. I run a business during normal business hours.
We'll see you then.
Hello?
It's time to bank human again. At TD Bank, we know what you need to run a business. That's why we're open late and weekends too. TD Bank, America's most convenient bank.
Even small things can make a big difference. Mission Happiness can make that big difference, and so can you.